Hello, I'm Tony with Southern Roofing and Renovations. Today we'll be doing a repair test on claim number HO0001077613, located at 656 Whiteface Drive, Clarksville, Tennessee, on behalf of Stillwater Insurance. Today the shingles are marked. The test shingle will be identified with the 3 dots. The shingles that are going to be affected by taking the shingle out and replacing it are shingles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today I will be using a roofing snake, a standard straight bar, and a roofing hammer. Let's begin. Shingle 1 is already torn from trying to pull the nails out from shingle 2 to separate the test shingle. severe mat transfer on the test shingle. This is where the mat transfer occurred between the test shingle and the shingle underneath. As I raise up, you can see shingle 1 is not connected to shingle 2 anymore. It's split in half. I do not have an acceptable replacement at this time. I will go ahead and make an attempt. I do have an acceptable replacement at this time. I will attempt to put it in and conduct a match test. As you see, when the replacement shingle is put in, the upper shingles are not laying flat as they are designed to. This concludes my repair test video.